Good morning, students. Welcome all of you in 10th lecture of 6th chapter. So up to now, in this chapter, we have studied in 6.1 linear pair of angles and vertically opposite angles. Generally, these two results. In second exercise, generally we study the results when two lines are parallel and one is transversal. Then we are having generally three results: corresponding angle, then alternate interior angle, then consecutive interior angle. Out of these three, generally we use the alternate interior angle. Now in this third exercise, there was only two basic. Yesterday we discussed both basic. First, angle sum property of a triangle means if triangle is there, then sum of all three angle is 180. And second is exterior angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So all these results of complete sixth chapter can be used in this third exercise. So we should know all the result of this sixth chapter. So this is the question first of 6.3. This figure is given. In this figure, SPR 135, this angle is 135. PQT 110, this is 110. PRQ we want to find out. This angle we want to find out. For our convenience, we just give numbers like this is angle 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 4. Now this is a straight line. It means sum of these two angle is 180. In 6.1 we study. Region is linear pair. Value of angle 1 we will put 110. 2 as it is. So 110 will become minus. So angle of 2 will be 70. So applying here result of linear pair, we find out the value of angle 2. In the same way, again we apply the result of linear pair. This is also a line. So 3 plus 4, again 180. In place of 3, we will put 135. This 135 will become minus here. So value of angle 4 is 45. So first we apply here result of linear pair. We find the value of angle 2, 70. Then we apply result of linear pair here and we find out the value of angle 4, 45. Now we know angle 2 and angle 4 means these two angles we know. If in a triangle values of two angle we know, then we can apply the angle sum property. So let us take this triangle PQR. Here angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. So angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 110. Region, angle sum property of a triangle. So in place of 2 we will write 70. In place of 4 we will write 45. In place of 5 we can write angle R equal to 180. So add these two, you will get 115 plus angle R equal to 180. This 115 will become minus on right hand side. So value of angle R will be 65. So complete name of this angle is PRQ. So value of angle PRQ is 65. So again you can see in this question that result of linear pair which we study in 6.1 is used first for angle 1 and 2, then for angle 3 and 4. Here we find out angle 2, here we find out angle 4, and then we apply the result of angle sum property. Generally, when we know the value of two angle, we can find out the value of third angle. So angle R equal to 65. So angle PRQ equal to 65. In this way, we can solve the question. Let us see the second question of this exercise. The second question of this 6.3 exercise. This figure is given. This is first triangle XYZ. This is second triangle YOZ. Value of angle X 62 is given. Value of XYZ. This value of angle 54. Two angles are given. This YO is bisect of this angle means XYZ, and this ZO is bisect of this angle means XZY. So these four lines are given. We want to find out value of these two angles. Let this is angle first, this is angle second. फर्स्ट और सेकंड बुक में नहीं लिखा हुआ, हम अपनी कन्वीनियंस के लिए लिख लेते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट वी विल अप्लाई इन ट्रायंगल XYZ एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी बिकॉज़ वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ टू एंगल. सो एंगल X प्लस एंगल Y प्लस एंगल Z 180. जब आपने ट्रायंगल का नाम लिख दिया तो एंगल को आप शॉर्ट में लिख सकते हैं. एंगल X 62, एंगल Y 54 प्लस Z इक्वल टू 180. We add these two angles, we will get 116 plus angle Z 180. This 116 will become minus. So angle Z will be 64. So this angle we get 64. Now this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3. This is bisector. Bisector means ये जो angle 1 होगा ये इसका half होगा. So angle 1, half of 54, you will get 27. Region you have to write. What is the region? YO is bisector of angle XYZ. Then angle 2 is half of this 64. You will get 32. Region is this. ZO is bisector of angle XYZ. Then now we know the value of these two angles in this triangle. So in YOZ triangle, we can apply angle sum property. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. Again angle sum property. Value of angle 1, 27. Value of angle 2, 32. 3, we can write angle O equal to 180. Add these two, you will get 59. Plus angle O, 180. 59 will become minus angle O will become 120. So first we apply angle sum property in XYZ. We solve, we find out the value of Z. Then angle 1 will be half of 54. It is 27. This line is the region you have to write here. Then this angle 2 is half of 64. You will get 32. This line is the region of this angle 2. So you have to write this region here. So then we take that triangle YOZ because we know the value of these two angles. We put the value of these two angles. So we get the value of angle O. Now we will see angle OZY. OZY, this angle 2. So OZY equal to angle 2 and we know the angle 2 is 32. So in place of angle 2 we will write 32. So this is the answer of this first part. Now second part YOZ by OZ. This YOZ is actually angle 3 and value of angle 3 means this angle O. So this is 121. So in this way we can solve the question by using angle sum property. So you have to keep in mind that generally angle sum property is applied when we know the value of two angles. So tomorrow we will solve third and fourth question of this exercise. Thank you.